Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace wheel studs on a Subaru Impreza, updated. Begin by lifting the car and removing the wheel, caliper, rotor, and hub to expose the studs. Remove the old studs using a punch-in driver or by pressing them out, then install new studs and torque the axle nut to spec. Reassemble the rotor, caliper, and wheel, then torque lug nuts in a star pattern and test drive carefully. Start by loosening the lug nuts and lifting the Impreza safely with a jack and jack stands. Remove the wheel, caliper, and rotor to access the hub assembly and stud ends. Use a punch and hammer or a press to drive the damaged studs out, taking care not to score the hub. Clean the hub bore and inspect the knuckle for debris before preparing to install new studs. Lubricate the stud shank lightly and insert it into the hub bore, then pull the stud through using a stack of washers and a nut or a press to seat it fully. Make sure each stud sits flush without caulking and that thread engagement matches specification. Reinstall the rotor and caliper, tighten the axle nut to spec, and torque lug nuts in a star pattern to manufacturer values. Check for.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.